Hi guys, today we're gonna make instant Rava toast or Suji toast, whatever you guys prefer. Let's begin. In a bowl, I'm taking half a cup of Suji, half a cup plain yogurt, mix. About 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix. Once it's combined, we're gonna leave it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna put half a cup corns, half a cup green peppers, half a cup onions. You can take any veggies of your choice. Green chillis as per your taste. 1 teaspoon bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds, half a teaspoon chaat masala, salt as per your taste. Mix. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Now we're gonna assemble. I'm taking some white bread. Spread evenly. Try not to make it too thick. Heat up a tawa or a frying pan. Put about a tablespoon of oil. On medium-low, place your bread, stuff side down, and let it cook for 1.5 minutes. With the help of a spatula, we're gonna flip, cook the other side, for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're gonna flip it back and cook our batter for another 2 minutes. Take them out. I'm gonna cut them in triangles. Serve them with ketchup, chutney, hot sauce. They taste amazing. Please try this recipe. Follow me on my Instagram. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.